Hey guys, this is how to fix Amazon Prime Video app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the Amazon Prime Video. And now just simply tap on the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down and go for apps. And now from here, just simply go for the Prime Video application, and from here, just simply tap on the search icon on the top right and search for Prime and tap on it. And after that, go to storage and tap on clear cache. And when you run the app, you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And you should be able to work it out. Now, for the third solution, is just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply install the Amazon Prime back again into your device. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.